Hey, it's Matt from Miller's Auto Recycling here. Today we have a 2021 Nissan Qashqai, stock number 263040, and this vehicle was in a front-end collision. This vehicle comes with a 2-liter naturally aspirated engine, and everything seems to be intact here. We can't run it because we don't have any keys for this one. This vehicle comes equipped with black ventilated leather seats and electronic seat adjustment. And the motor on this engine has 18,241 kilometers. If you'd like to inquire about parts on this vehicle, make sure to give Miller's Auto Recycling a call for pricing and availability. Thanks for watching.